Yo. What's up, everyone? What's up? Oh, fuck, I gotta turn on these lights. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today is the day. Today is the day. Today is the day. Today is the day. NAS 100 looks like sell positions underneath this low. You guys already know. Buys above this shit's might explode if it comes up to this area here. So those are the two levels we'll be waiting for NAS 100. Let me set my alerts here just to get reminded if we do start to break. Unfortunately, it looks like it wants to break before market open. But that's okay though, because then we have US 30. So US 30 on the 15-minute time frame. We have this zone over here, which if we break this high over here, I'll be looking to buy into this range. So I'll put an alert right over here. Let me go ahead and put it on this candlestick. I guess I gotta move it once this candlestick closes, because if not, it's gonna be cooked. Or if I put it here, will it go off? Yeah, you see, as soon as the candle moves, it'll go off. Okay, so now I can put it under here. 15-minute time frame. We have this low over here coming down. It is a bit far away, but I think markets are gonna push up here today. So we'll see what we can catch. I do like these sell positions coming down underneath this level here. Sells below closure. So yeah, these are my ranges here for today. We got NAS 100 sells, we got NAS 100 buys above the highs here, above these highs. So now what do we do, guys? All we have to do is just wait for our freaking entry, execute when the time comes, and move along, chat. So all we can do, it's all we're gonna do, okay? We're trading a account here, 425K, which is beautiful, and we're looking good. All right. Do you guys want me to trade strictly from like? All right, look, we're coming down here. We have about 2 minutes here for the market to open, so don't just sit on your hands, guys, for a little bit, and we'll be fine, okay? Just sit on your hands. I'm FX trader. I'm getting more curious about futures the more I watch you. Yeah, so you can trade NASDAQ and US 30 in the Forex market though. It's really the same shit, especially at these times. Like, I know futures doesn't have any spreads and spreads and stuff like that. But at this time it's virtually no spreads, guys. You can definitely trade at these times and you're not gonna see any drawdown in terms of your spread, just because FHX Markets has raw spreads, guys. So if you guys want a reliable broker, FHX Markets, it's the way to go. Look at these highs here. Boom. We get this break. If we can get a push to the upside here, I'm leaning more towards wanting to trade US 30 rather than NASDAQ, just because the NASDAQ is already coming down here. I do believe it's going to tap into this low here and then kind of pick a direction at this level. But it's for me, it's gone right now. You know, like there's not, I can't trade it when the market opens because it's going to be in the middle of the range. We have that level of resistance right here that we could definitely bounce at, right? So there's not enough range for me to come down from this point to this point, right? It's only about 14 pip range. So what I want to do is I want to wait for a push to come down, maybe form a level of support here, then push and break that zone. Then I can catch this move, which is about 45 points, you know. But as of right now, this is looking beautiful. I love to see this because we are coming back into the range. Okay, oh my god. Okay, what the fuck is going on? Is there news today, champ? Is there news today? Markets are just ripping now. Let's just wait for this volatility to relax here for a bit, and then we'll see if we can catch a trade. US 30. What alert is going on US 30? Look how late that freaking... What is going on with my alerts? Yeah, Fed speech? Okay. Thanks, bro. So yeah, so we'll just wait a little bit. Let the market relax a bit, and then just take our entries after that. NAS 100. I wanted to reverse and give me my entry up here. would be beautiful. Because now this is liquidity. Liquidity being swept to the downside to potentially now push up. We also have a massive fib long, bro. Look, notice how I don't even have to draw it out anymore just because I've been using fibs for so long, but this is a massive fib long. Breaking the 618, so we want to really see the price come up above the 618 and start breaking out of the 50. Then we get that breakout zone to push up to 236 or 0. So we'll see, guys. We really need a nice range, a nice entry, just because we will be holding for TP3, as you guys know. As you guys know. Hello? Yo, my bad, guys. What the hell is going on with my shit recently? Waiting patiently here. Could potentially sell off right here underneath these lows. Could definitely seize the market push down here. I do believe that it can. Nothing going on here right now. Could potentially get that break in the retest for the price to push to the downside here. Maybe a fake out breakout setup here. These moves are always like sketchy to take just because you're getting that push below, but you need a candle here to close above the range. Then you can potentially execute. How big is this range to the downside here? 50? Get your DJI ready. I'll let you guys know when I execute. It'll most likely be below these lows here. Once we break those current lows, I'll be in my position. So just be ready for that one, guys. Already have getting just everything ready here. Okay. Price is trying to break, but still not breaking just yet. All right, we're in that. We're in this trade right over here. Could we get a push to push down into this range? We're breaking out of those lows now, but a lot of liquidity traders are now looking at that as a sweep. So we just need these breakout traders to take control, and we will be fine. Even taking it below these lows would be good, guys. Just because now you're getting confirmations underneath that level, right? All right, get ready here to move your stops to break even because TP1's about to hit here, guys. Wow, we were like barely any pips away here. 3 points away, guys. 3 points away from hitting TP1 there. 3 points away. All right, we're pushing. Come on, just hold. Please just hold here and just push down. Just want one massive candle to the downside would be beautiful. Kind of battling that previous level of support here, which is the level that we were talking about earlier. Just really want to see what the markets are going to do. But the markets are moving with the news right now, so whatever happens, happens, guys. All right, we're getting that push here. Now breaking. Staying below this level here, though. Beautiful. Now we just need an impulsive move to the downside here. Created that lower high. But we're on the 1 minute, though, so keep that in mind, guys. If we use your code during streaming, can we do buy one, get one? Yes. Come on, markets. What do you guys want to do? What do you want to do, markets? Now, maybe I should have executed over here, but what if it TP1 already? I kind of like that we're coming up, retesting the entry. So if we do start to break this low here, we shouldn't come back up to my break even. So that way it gives us that 1 to 3 target. But we'll see. First step is TP1, right? And then TP2, TP3. Come on, baby, give it to us. Markets are just chilling at this high, bro, at this low here. A lot of choppiness there to the left as well. There we go. Give me some volume. Volume to the downside, please. Volume to the downside. This might be it here, though. We're failing to hold this level here, underneath this level here, and we're respecting this low over here. So if you guys are risk too much on this trade, get out of some of your position. Manage the risk. But for me, gonna just hold it. Going to just hold it, guys. News is definitely playing a part here today, so let you guys know when I'm out. Might even want to hold it past this area here. How many more pips is that? 8. We'll see, guys. We will see. Love these rejections here, but I really want to see a bearish candle come from this area here. I don't want us to continue seeing these bullish candles. Might hold it for a little bit more, like about 8 pips more, guys. So like I said, if you guys are risking too much, don't do that, right? Make sure you guys are getting out at your 50 pip stop loss, but I do believe that we could potentially respect this high, respect this level, and push down. That's if the market even goes up there. We just need to start getting some bearish action here. You see how this 5-minute close bullish? Could be a gambler candle now if we break the low here, which is beautiful, but we need to break that low in order for that to confirm. Fed speech, dude. Peep Nas. Gold going off. Sheesh. Gold. Bro, my levels are always so clean. I'm fucking gold, bro. US 30 hit that stop loss, guys, but I'm still in it. Still holding. What's a gambler candle? So a gambler candle is pretty much price comes down, bearish candle closure. Then the next candle shows buyers a bullish candle, which is the only confirmation for this trade to potentially go up. So buyers will buy above here. So it'll take out their stops, then come down and break their low. And then that's confirmation that all those buyers are now getting stopped out. And then we have more sellers in the market than buyers, right? So sellers will take control underneath this low here. Let's see. There we go. Beautiful little breaker retest here. We just need, like I said, some bearish candle closures here. If we don't get that, guys, most likely gonna hit stops, which is up here. Stops right here. No matter what, I will be out of my position there. I'm actually even gonna set my stop loss. I feel like every time I set like an actually a pending stop, I feel like the markets just want to touch that area. I never actually do that. Markets are just in this range now, guys. That's what I expected. Give my trade a little bit of more room to play out. But if it doesn't, it's fine. We move on. Nas long entry. Nas long entry would be above here just because the 15-minute time frame has no structure here to take buys, right? The structure is up here. Come on, market. What do you guys want to do? Now we're respecting the previous candle low here. So we could potentially see a break of the previous candle high, right? Is this market structure, guys? We have this low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But this is looking to me like just a correction phase in the market to then dump. Right? Because notice how we came down here, and then notice how we're coming up here with small candlesticks. Meaning potentially it's just a correction phase for the market to then continue its impulsive phase, right? Let's see here. Okay, let's see. Beautiful little reaction coming off that level here. Definitely sellers sitting at this area here. But do they have enough strength to push price down? No, I don't think so. They're getting liquidated right now. Let you guys know when I'm out. Alright, completely out of the trade, guys. Completely out. Not gonna trade. Account already breached. Damn news. Yeah, bro, that happens, man. News definitely played a part here. But we gave it a shot, and you know, we didn't try to. We're not gonna chase our loss. We're not gonna revenge trade. We're not gonna do any of that. We're just gonna vibe it out. Watch the market here for another 5-10 minutes, and then just purchase with your code. Love you, dollar. Yes, sir. Guys, if you guys buy an account using code dollar in the next 1 hour, you guys will be able to get a buy one get one. All you have to do is go to support and say I use code dollar during his stream, and then they'll take care of you. They will take care of you. But yeah, I think if the market wants to respect this low here now, you're potentially gonna see a push into this range. Well, we're still below these SMAs though, and I still believe that this is like a correction phase in the market. But you know, we just gotta see. Yeah, everything is kind of just wacky here, guys. NAS 100 doesn't even know what it wants to do. US 30 is coming back into the range, so that's confirmed. We're back into this range. We were like, 2 pips away, 2 points away from hitting TPs, guys. 2 points away from hitting TPs, guys. Even for instant funded, yeah, for all accounts. When we getting the 1K 2-step villain back? Bro, you guys don't know what a headache that is for when paying out affiliates. Cause now all affiliates got that shit, right? Like they all made sales, and then we have to verify that their sales aren't fraud or they got charged back and a bunch of bullshit. It's a big deal, you know. One thing that we will probably do is we'll bring it back. Just don't know when. Don't want to give you an exact time, but I think we're gonna bring back 1K instant fundeds for maybe $2. Would you guys rather that or 1K 2-step villains for $1? But you won't be able to use codes on the next one, bro. We were selling those 1K accounts for $1, but we were selling them for like 35 cents, bro. So there will be strictly $1 this time, and maybe instant funded. Now it's about to blow up. Yeah, it does look nice, guys. But there's no structure, guys. Remember, no structure, no trade. Remember, we find structure on the 15-minute time frame. But yeah, guys. Yeah, it's definitely a good account because you are risking real money, which is good for you guys in terms of the funded account. And it gives you a big enough account size to be able to take enough trades with just $1, you know, while you're learning that skill. I think it's a good thing for everyone, man. We've definitely grown a lot in the Indian community, the Nigerian community, you know, all those places. The Philippines community. We got a bunch of new clients from over there, so we're excited to give our best product to them, you know. And guys, even when they're not there, like there's accounts here that you can definitely get for the low, you know. I'll show you guys. Like if you guys go here and you guys get like a, let's say like a 3-step 2.5K, it says $32 here, but this is not true, right? Because when you click and you put my code dollar, right, it comes out to fucking $11. 11 freaking dollars. So there are still accounts that you guys can get, you know. But that's for the 3-step villain. If you guys do a 3-step, no, that was for the 3-step hero. If you guys do 3-step villain, bro, you're getting an account for $6.65 at 2.5K. I don't want no 3-step, yo, facts. I'm just giving it, this is an option for people who are trying to find the most affordable challenge, you know? But even a 2-step is ridiculous price. Like 2-step villain, look at this. If you guys go and get a 2-step villain and you put code dollar on a 2.5K account, $9, bro. You know what I mean? Like, you guys can't beat these fucking prices, bro. Like, this, my prop firm has accounts for every single freaking person, bro. Look at this. 1-step villain. Code dollar. You're getting it at $12. $12 chat. If you guys don't have $12 to invest in your trading, bro, to be honest, you guys shouldn't be trading, bro. You know, you guys should be finding a job, getting your funds up, because at the end of the day, you need to invest in your trading in order to make money trading. Nothing's gonna come for free, you know. Could you learn the skill for free? Yeah, 100%. You could probably look at YouTube. You can do all that stuff, but in terms of making money for free, doesn't exist in the markets, you know. It does not exist in the markets. Unless you join the streams and win a giveaway account, then it's free. But then you got to deal with giveaway rules, you know? Yeah, I took this trade down here, bro. I was 2 points away from hitting TP1 to move myself to break even. And unfortunately, got cooked. Got cooked, chat. But I appreciate all the support that you guys showed me, bro. I'll probably see you guys next stream. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Same time, same place. I'll be on tomorrow morning, right at market open. So we'll catch a beautiful banger together. If you guys won today, still want to see what you guys took, just send me your profits. And yeah, we'll chat it up in the DMs. Love you guys. Peace.